Are you looking for the best 18-inch electric chainsaw? In this video, we will break down the top 5 18-inch electric chainsaws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Oregon CS1500 Corded Electric Chainsaw. This electric chainsaw is present in the first position as it one of the most powerful options out there. It is a popular electric tool that offers various kinds of options. It comes with a large 18-inch blade that is the largest than any other. And since a 15-amp motor powers, it can easily cut through most trees and tree branches without any issues. You also get a 3-year warranty with this electric chainsaw along with decent build quality. As a result, it should last you for a long time without any issues. At number 2. Makita UC4051A Electric Chainsaw. To support productivity and safety, there's also an electric chain brake to stop the chain when it touches something it shouldn't. An automatic chain oiler makes for simple maintenance, and tool-free chain tensioning makes it easy to stay tuned up. The ergonomic rubberized handles and large trigger switch make for easy maneuverability and operation, and this chainsaw cuts smooth and fast, for trimming and lambing up to a diameter of 16 or so inches. You'll have to manage the cord, which can limit where and how you can use the chainsaw. This one does have a cord cage though, an instant electric start, a large trigger switch with a soft start, and tool-free chain adjustments. The oil reservoir has a convenient view window, so you can quickly check levels before using it. There are also metal bucking spikes, making this helpful for getting a grip on awkward cuts. At number 3. GreenWorks 20222 Electric Chainsaw. This chainsaw is available in 3 variants, but this is the 9-amp model. It is perfect for light trimming jobs, and it has all the features. The 9-amp motor powers a 14-inch chain while a sturdy hand guard protects you from debris. It does not have an automatic brake, however, which is a definite negative. Its tool-less tensioning system lets you tighten things up in seconds, and lubrication is provided through an automatic oiler. It has a metal bumper spike or a felling dog if you prefer, a feature that is a rarity on electric saws. It prevents kickback and allows you to dig into the bark of a tree for increased leverage and stability. At number 4. WORX WG303.1 Powered Chainsaw. This electric chainsaw has a 16.5-inch bar and a 14.5-amp motor. Experts give it top marks in all of the important categories, including cutting speed, ease of use, and handling. This chainsaw still has important features including a chain brake, ergonomic handle, automatic chain oiler, and automatic chain tensioner. It's fast, balanced, and easily handles lightweight duties around the yard. It's not too heavy either, at 11 pounds. You may experience some shaking with this model, however, one thing it lacks is vibration isolation. It's backed by a 3-year warranty. At number 5. Sun Joe Electric Chainsaw. This great chainsaw comes with a full 2-year warranty. Introducing a greener, cleaner way to maintain your yard and garden with the Sun Joe Tree Limb Master SWJ599E14INCH9AMP Electric Chainsaw. The powerful 9-amp motor makes light work of limbs, and easily slices through branches and thick brush up to 10 inches thick. Quickly cut a cord of wood, collect a load of logs, or prune a pine tree with the simple push of a button. A built-in safety switch prevents accidental starting. And at just over 7 pounds, this chainsaw is designed for maximum maneuverability around the yard or garden, without the need for gas.